getting low FPS while gaming or editing. In this quick guide, I'll show you the key GPU settings you need to check to fix performance drops. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop, right-click anywhere, select Show More Options, and then click NVIDIA Control Panel. Alternatively, you can open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA Control Panel, and open it from there. Once it's open, click Manage 3D Settings on the left-hand side, then select the Global Settings tab. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down arrow and change it to Disabled. After that, click Apply at the bottom, then restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA, and open the official NVIDIA app. In the app, click on Drivers from the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, choose whether you need the Game Ready driver or the Studio driver. If you use your PC mainly for gaming, select Game Ready driver. If you use it for general or creative tasks, go with Studio driver. Click Download, and once it finishes, install the driver on your computer. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Disk Cleanup, and launch the Disk Cleanup app. Click on Cleanup System Files, click OK. Once that's done, go back to the NVIDIA Control Panel. Scroll back down to Shader Cache Size, click the drop-down menu again, and set it to Driver Default. Click Apply at the bottom, and restart your computer one more time. After your PC restarts, your FPS drops should now be fixed. That's it. These quick GPU tweaks can help you fix low FPS and get smoother performance instantly. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick PC optimization tips.